Hi everyone, greetings from F.A Digital. Welcome to my channel. As this is my first video with you guys, I thought I should introduce myself. I'm Farah Ameen, founder of F.A Digital and a professional digital marketer. This channel is my way of sharing my experiences and expertise by providing you with content and tutorial videos. I really hope these videos are going to inspire you to get involved in this sector and revitalize the IT industry. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the basic concept and the components of digital marketing to give you a better understanding on the subject. So let's get started. So, digital marketing. What exactly is digital marketing? It is the way to promote a product or service using internet or digital technologies. It can help you reach the global marketplace using the online platforms like social media apps and search engine. It doesn't only help you save money, but trust me, it generates more customers than traditional marketing. It also has an advantage. It can help you to know your target audience and allow you to know them personally, and that will help you a lot with brand loyalty. The English entrepreneur and author Mr. Neil Patel once stated, "If you can make a customer happy, you can make them buy." So, the components of digital marketing. What are the types of digital marketing? Let's start with content marketing. It is focused on creating, distributing, and publishing online materials for a targeted online audience. It can be videos, blogs, animations, memes, social media posts, anything. It doesn't really necessarily promote any brands, but it does pique your interest in the product or service, doesn't it? So, I think content marketing is a very powerful tool for digital marketing. Next comes affiliate marketing. It is what I like to call third-party marketing or middleman marketing. Popular websites like Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress highly encourages affiliate marketing. It is based on performance in which the business or the website rewards you for every visitor or subscriber who visit their site by your own marketing strategies. So if you have a lot of followers or subscribers, affiliate marketing is the way to go. Search engine optimization, or as we say it, SEO. It actually helps to bring your website on the first page of a search engine result. It actually helps in the improvement of organic results, that is the natural and unpaid results, and excludes the traffic of paid advertisement. So if you have done proper SEO for your website and it has the proper content a person is looking for on a search engine, it will definitely come to the first page of the search engine. Search engine marketing, or SEM. It is mostly used for paid advertisement. It actually helps you to increase the visibility of a website in search engine result pages, or as we say, SERPs. So the more you advertise your website, the more it shows on the result pages. Online advertising. It is a type of marketing that actually sends promotional marketing messages to consumers. It doesn't have any specific path, so it goes everywhere. It can be in your browser, search engine, social media, mobile phone, and even in emails. So it is a very effective marketing. Social media marketing, SMM. Who doesn't know social media? Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. It's our daily life right now, right? So SMM is basically using those platforms to promote your product and services. It is so hard to ignore nowadays because everybody uses it all the time. And it can also be both paid and unpaid. So I think it's the most effective one till now. Mobile marketing. Anybody with a telecommunication service provider knows what this is. It is a multi-channel online marketing technique that's focused on reaching a specific audience through SMS and other mobile applications. And last but not the least, email marketing, the simplest of the lot. It's just a way of promoting your product and services just using email. That's all. So friends, I think I have covered pretty much the basics of digital marketing. I really hope it was helpful. I will be sharing more videos with the tutorials of the kinds of marketing I explained in this video and exactly show you how it's done. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.